Friends, today we will discuss syllabus of B.sc first year in mathematics. In first year, 3 paper. First paper is algebra and trigonometry, second paper is calculus, and third paper is vector analysis and geometry. In first paper, algebra and trigonometry, it is divided in 5 units. In first unit, we will discuss sequence and its convergence, basic ideas. Means we will discuss only basic characteristics of sequence, and after that convergence of infinite series, in which we discuss how can we solve the infinite series by comparison test, ratio test, root test, Ravi's test, logarithmic test, Cauchy condensation test, De Morgan and Bertrand's test, and Hegel logarithmic test, alternating series, Leibniz test, absolute and conditional convergence. In this series, we have to discuss these tests and equivalence relation and partition you have learned in previous class. So in the second unit, we will discuss definition of group with examples and simple properties. We will apply these property on numbers, suppose natural number, whole number, rational number, irrational number, real number. These are the numbers. We will discuss the simple property of group on that numbers, and after that permutation group, subgroups, center and normalizer of a group. We will discuss also cyclic group, quotient decomposition, Lagrange theorem, which is the most important theorem in group divisibility related, this theorem. And it's after that, in the third unit, we will discuss homomorphism and isomorphism. These are the property related to group. Calais theorem, normal subgroup, quotient group, fundamental theorem of homomorphism, conjugacy relation, class equations, direct product. So these two units combined, and these units give us the more knowledge of group. After, we will discuss introduction to rings, which is related to two binary operation. Suppose that or with plus and into. This is the ring, and in group only one binary operation, G omicron. It is positive, negative, multiplication or division. And also integral domain and fields, characteristic offering, homomorphism offering, ideals, quotient rings. These are the topics related to unit 4. And unit 5, which is related to trigonometry, in which we will discuss complex function and separation into real and imaginary parts. How can we divide a complex function in real and imaginary part? We will discuss. And then exponential and direct and inverse trigonometric and hyperbolic function, which is the main part of the trigonometry. Logarithmic function is also related to trigonometry in B.sc first year. Gregory series is the very most important part of in this syllabus, and summation of series, which is related to C plus iota S. C means cos and S means sine. In this syllabus, only 2 part is given in the syllabus, algebra and trigonometry. In algebra, we will discuss 80% or 70% syllabus, and in trigonometry we will discuss only 30% or 20% of whole syllabus. It means the weightage of algebra is higher than the weightage of trigonometry. So we will discuss first algebra, in which first topic is sequence and its convergence.